Did you know that you can start making money online with just a few hours of learning? Today, I'm sharing 3 more beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn 500 to 5,000 a month. No experience required. Stick around because these skills are easy to learn, low effort, and perfect for anyone looking to boost their income. Let's dive in. The first skill is social media content creation. With businesses spending billions on social media marketing, they need skilled creators who can produce engaging content for their platforms. Here's how you can make money with social media content creation. Freelance platforms. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or TopTal. Work with brands, partner with businesses to create posts, stories, or reels for their social media accounts. Sell templates. Create and sell pre-made social media templates or graphics on marketplaces like Creative Market or Etsy. The average social media content creator earns between $20 to $100 per hour, depending on their expertise. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where you can begin. Here's how you can learn social media content creation. Free resources. YouTube channels like Think Media or blogs like Later Blog offer great tips. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Skillshare, social media content creation, or Udemy, social media marketing mastery. Practice tools. Use free tools like Canva or Adobe Spark to create stunning visuals. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for finding freelance content creation gigs. Fiverr, perfect for offering affordable content creation services. LinkedIn, ideal for connecting with businesses looking for social media experts. Now, let's explore the second skill. The second skill is ebook writing. If you have a passion for writing, you can make money by creating and selling ebooks on topics you're knowledgeable about. Here's how you can make money with ebook writing. Self-publishing platforms. Publish your ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, or Gumroad. Freelance platforms. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Reedsy. Sell directly. Promote your ebooks on your blog, social media, or email list. The average ebook author earns between $500 to $10,000 per book, depending on sales and pricing. Want to know where to learn this skill? Here's what you need to know. Here's how you can learn ebook writing, or free resources. YouTube channels like Kindlepreneur or blogs like The Creative Pen offer great tips. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Udemy, How to Write an Ebook, or Skillshare, ebook writing for beginners. Practice tools. Use tools like Grammarly for proofreading or Scrivener for organizing your content. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to publish and sell your ebooks. Amazon KDP, great for reaching a global audience. Gumroad, perfect for selling directly to your audience. Reedsy, ideal for connecting with professional editors and designers. Next, let's dive into the third skill. The third skill is online course creation. If you're knowledgeable about a specific topic, you can create and sell online courses to share your expertise. Here's how you can make money with online course creation. Course platforms. Sell your courses on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. Freelance platforms. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Coursera. Sell directly. Promote your courses on your blog, social media, or email list. The average course creator earns between $500 to $50,000 per course, depending on sales and pricing. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where to begin. Here's how you can learn online course creation. Free resources. YouTube channels like Thinkific or blogs like Teachable Blog offer great tips. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Udemy, How to Create an Online Course, or Skillshare, Online Course Creation Mastery. Practice tools. Use tools like Canva for designing course materials or Camtasia for recording videos. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to sell your courses. Udemy, great for reaching a global audience. Teachable, perfect for creating your own branded course website. Skillshare, ideal for teaching creative skills. Now, let's wrap this up with some final tips. Congratulations! You now know 3 more beginner-friendly skills that can help you make money online fast: social media, content creation, ebook writing, and online course creation. Whether you're a beginner or looking to diversify your income streams, these skills are easy to learn and can help you build a sustainable online income. Here are some general tips to succeed. Start small. Focus on one skill and scale as you go. Be consistent. Show up every day, even if it's just for 30 minutes. Keep learning. Stay updated with the latest trends and tools in your chosen field. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share how to create a winning freelance profile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.